This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about snack bags, specifically these biotech snack bags that come in 4 colors. We have black, newsprint, craft, and white. And there's a couple of sizes. We have the 7 by 11, which has a 3-inch gusset on the side for a nice, generous, big size. We have the 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, which has a 1 1/4 gusset that we have here in the newsprint, craft, and white. And then we have these cute 4 1/4 by 2 1/2 by 3 1/4 that make for nice little stand-up bags. So they're almost like little shopping bags. They're really cute. So these are a great open design that's easy to fill and eat from. They have an extended upper lip on some of these sizes that you can see that makes them easy to open and slide your little treats in. And they're great for orders of things like French fries, tots, hash browns, onion rings, mott sticks, chips, cookies. They've got a grease-proof lining that keeps the messes and oils and sauces in and keeps your customers' hands clean. They're microwave safe for up to 2 minutes, which means that it's easy to heat up pre-portioned snacks once they're ordered. They're also recyclable, which makes them really easy for cleanup, as easy as they are to use. So these are a great option for restaurants, cafes, food trucks, or food stalls looking for something to portion those hot side dishes.